Kawasaki Ridge. We did a very little bit of a sneak peek of some of the accessories that we were coming out with. We posted the UTV adjustable bed rack on here and it went crazy. Listen, Kawasaki lovers, we heard and we listened. So let's do a complete walk around because we have a ton of new products on this thing. So let's start in the front here with the all new Winch Mount. As you can see, we have a 3,500 pound Warren winch on here. It just mounts right up to your OEM bumper. You need extra lighting. I'll say it again. You need extra lighting. Up top, KC, Thumper Fab Roof Rack, CNC tie downs. This is the roof rack that has your name on it, and you definitely need it on your Kawasaki Ridge. So as you can see, we have the KC up on top. You can do a 40-inch light bar. There's gonna be several options that you're gonna be able to check out on the website when you're wanting to accessorize your roof rack. So with your Ridge roof rack, you're gonna be able to tie down anything that it'll hold. And when I tell you it's strong enough that we can stand on it. I've seen people put deer stands. I've seen people put spare tires, coolers, canoes, anything that you can possibly imagine, our roof rack is gonna hold it. One of my favorite things is the all new Ridge Nerf Rails. So it's gonna give you more protection to your machine, acts as a skid plate all the way under. These doors can get expensive, so it's gonna protect those even more. But what's even better is you can take that step up and access anything you have up there on your roof rack. One of our most popular accessories, the Winch Headache Rack. We make them for several makes, several models. This is the all new Ridge, and we had to make it for this. We had several customers commenting on the social media posts saying, we want this, we want that, we want this. So we answered. First up, the Winch Headache Rack. You have a 1,500 pound winch. So you're gonna be able to pull that winch out, drop your tailgate, and winch anything up in the back of your bed. I love lighting, especially behind me. So up top, you have a quad row 3-inch light cubes on each side of your winch. Those are optional. And like I said, you can dress this thing out on the website once you're checking out your cart. In the middle is a MOLLE webbing. You're gonna be able to customize that. We do all of our powder coating in-house. So if you wanted that red to match your machine, we could do that too. These tailgates are expensive. I don't know if you ever priced one, but lordy. So we have to have even more protection on the back. My favorite bumper to date, I love how this one turned out. The all new Kawasaki Ridge Thumper Fab rear bumper. You have 2 stainless steel panels, and tucked back there are 2 dual row 6-inch light bars. So you're gonna have even more lighting in the back. I love how these doors open on the Kawasaki Ridge. But you're probably wondering, why do you have them both open? Of course we have something on the inside that I have to show you. Hunter's dreams. Come on a little bit closer. Not only do we have a front, but we have a rear in-floor gun mount. So you're literally going to have a cab full, 4 rifles in, and on the fly, you're gonna be able to pull those out and hunt anything you're after. Some people like factory, some people like stock, others like to have a little bit more ground clearance. So we have the 2-inch bracket lift for the Kawasaki Ridge. And as you can see, it gives you a lot more ground clearance because 2 inches really does matter. So y'all spoke, we answered. Now check all of this out on the website, thumperfab.com, or find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trail.